The House is particularly alarmed by credible information that huge sums of local government funds have been paid under the directive of Mr. Oyetola. 1. 25 million naira payment to each of the 30 illegal APC local government chairmen. 2. 12 million naira payment to each of the 30 illegal APC local government vice chairmen. 3. 10 million naira payment to each of the 332 illegal APC local government councillors. 4. 130 million naira each to selected traditional rulers in Osun State. 5. 13 billion naira legal fees payment to Oyetola and Co., lawyers representing the illegal chairmen and councillors. 15% of deposited fund is 13 billion naira. See attached letter. We have a copy of the letter here. Local government funds are being used illegally to pay lawyers who represented the APC chairmen and councillors in their private capacities. The lawyers were not engaged by the local government. Please ask Mr. Oyetola why he authorized the sum of 13 billion naira to be paid to Oyetola and Co., private lawyers, from local government funds. This is criminal, and this House will demand a refund of every kobo from UBA PLC. Even more disturbing are reports before this House that plans are allegedly underway to disburse another 50 billion naira of local government funds for political purposes, disguised as project funds, while governance at the grassroots continue to suffer. This House will not tolerate the diversion of public funds meant for salaries, healthcare, education, and community development into private hands to fund the election of a particular politician in Osun State. Mr. Oyetola, a nephew to the president, has no constitutional, statutory, or moral authority to control local government funds, issue instructions on local government funds, influence banks, or direct security agencies in respect of local government administration. Being related to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria confers no legal power to interfere in the affairs of the Osun State local government. Mr. Oyetola should not be allowed to carry on as if he is above the law in Osun State. This House stands firmly with the people of Osun State. We will defend democracy. We will defend the rule of law. We will defend the sanctity of public funds. And we will not retreat until this illegality ends and justice prevails.